The vineyard of Rully benefit from a special geographical location. Situated at the northern end of the Côte Chalonnaise, it is slightly offset to the east in relation to the Côte de Beaune. As a result, it has a certain freshness due to the continental influences, which are very welcome, specifically in summer when the temperatures are getting very hot. The geographical zone of the Rully appellation covers the area around the villages of Rully and Chagny. The topography here is quite complex. The eastward tilting of the sedimentary layers combined with hard limestone and softer marl result in small ridges with asymmetrical flanks in the landscape. The slopes facing east are quite soft, when the slopes facing west are steeper, quite often crowned by limestone ledges. The vineyard is divided in 3 zones. The first one, the one in the north, goes from the north of the village of Rully to the village of Chagny. The vineyard is located at the foothill of those 2 mountains, facing east at an altitude from 240 meters up to 300 meters. Here, the soil at the top of the slope is very shallow, rich in limestone from the Upper Jurassic period, with lots of pebble, and is on this area we found the Clos Saint-Jacques and the Clos du Chêne, both classified as Rully Premier Cru. At the bottom of the slope, the soil are getting deeper with more marl. The wines we can find here are both red and white, but we should say it's mostly white today. So the wines are very pleasant. They are fresh, elegant, with a beautiful minerality. The second zone starts near the village of Rully down to the border of Mercurey. It itself can be divided in 2 parts. The first part is located at the foot of those 2 hills, and the vineyard is facing east and southeast. At an altitude goes from 240 to 300 meters. This area has the largest number of climats, classified as Rully Premier Cru, Marissou, Cloux, Montpalais, Margotet. Going south, as you can see on the map, the vineyard is going narrower. The soil, like in the north part, are on the top, rich in limestone, very stony and shallow, where at the bottom you find more marl and the soils are getting deeper. This area is mainly planted with Chardonnay. The wines here are very precise, aromatic, well-structured, and show a beautiful minerality. The second part, as you can see on the map, is located on the west and southwest part of this little mountain called Montpalais, at an altitude between 260 and 350 meters. The characteristic of this area is the diversity of exposure, fully west, fully south, or fully east. The soils are shallow, rich in limestone and pebbles, and they come from the Upper Jurassic sediments. This cooler area produces mainly white wine, which are elegant, pure, with a lovely minerality. The wine of Le Climat Les Cailloux is certainly one of the most representative of the wine of this part. The third zone extends from the south of Rully down to the Saône River Valley to the east. The soils here are deeper and richer in clay, and they lie on bedrock made of limestone from the Middle Jurassic period. The slopes are here quite gentle, and it's on the top of them we find the climats classified as Rully Premier Cru, such as La Renarde, Les Chanclouds, La Bressande, or Le Mécado. In this area, we find quite a bit of Pinot Noir, and the wines here are fruity, fresh, well-balanced with a good structure and soft tannins. They're very pleasant, even as young wine. To sum up, the general climatic conditions are oceanic, but with strong continental and meridional influences. The soils are very diverse with marl and limestone. The exposure is an east exposure facing the rising sun in the morning. All that guarantee the production of great quality wine in both color, red and white.